Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we got another foot draft. Not foot draft. We're gonna do a pack opener. So, as I said in the last video that I'm gonna do, that I did the crossbar challenge with my brother, and today we're gonna do a pack opener, which is La Liga pack opener. We're gonna get into this, and we also hope that we hope that we're gonna get team of the season Ronaldo, which is he's 99 rated, and so is Messi. He's 98 rated. Suarez 98. Neymar is 96. So let's get into this. If you want some cheap coins, go to golder.com and write swag1 for the 10% discount. So let's get into this. So we're in the foot watch. Yes, and then we're gonna log in. So I'm gonna do Tots pack opening. Got no one from the first pack. Second pack we get literally no one again. Sorry about the camera. Third one, no, I don't think so. No. Oh, we get this inform. Get stored in the club, and then I'll just put got it. And now we're gonna put store in club. So after this pack opening that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a tour around my football club. Not football club, it's like the club in this foot watch thing. It's absolute free. You can open packs on it, but you can keep the players, but you can't get them on FIFA 16. So you know, opening these packs, nobody. Now we spent exactly 1 million, and we did not get anyone. Obviously, La Liga's meant to be expensive, like really expensive. So, you know, there's gonna be one here. I'm getting some bored here. Come on, give us someone. There's gonna be a lightning round here. Let's see. Let's get down. Let's see. If there's any lightning rounds. Not been yet. Let's check back later. Nobody there. No one. You know what? Let's go to Footways. It's absolute good. It's absolute good. Is of a team of the seasons as well. Look, you can see them here. See them there. See them. See them there. 99 Ronaldo, 98 Suarez, 98 Messi, 96 Neymar, 95. You know, goes all along till 19 of us. So I'm gonna sign in. You're not gonna see my my stuff, so I'll be back. So I've logged in. So lads, I've logged in, and now we're gonna head into a pack opener. Let's get into this. We hope we're gonna get some sick team of the seasons. On save. Go to pack opener. If you're 16. Footwears. Like, you know. Wait. Is this? Am I on the right ones? Am I on the team of the season? Yes, I am. So we're getting inform. Come on. We're getting inform. Funes. She's the only worth for 35k. Gonna open the next pack. And we get... Let's see the highest pack so far. No, that's the highest pack. Okay. He got 99 Ronaldo and 98 Messi at the same pack. Okay. So I'll be able to pack them. Can I, Jason? So yeah, let's open a pack. No one good in this one. You can see, lads, here it says the highest pack, the best pack. You get no one. Yep. So not no one again. No one. Let me restart this. Reset it, I mean reset every single thing. Okay. Who is this? Ooh, we get 3 informs in one pack. Okay. We got the wrong Pogba as well. So let's open another one, and we hope we get team of the season in this one. Is that team of the season? No team of the season. No one's there. So if I get like anyone good, I'm gonna end it there. Like if I get 99 Ronaldo on someone, you know, I'm gonna end it there. Come on. It's another inform. It's not even worth it. Well, Jonas, who was like 35k. Come on. Get someone good, please. Please. Oh, my camera just fell off. And next pack. No way! I just got Pele. I got Pele. Yeah. Oh my god! I just got Pele. Oh my days. The pack straight after, we get Pele. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh, this it should be like the best pack opening ever. Oh my god. Jason, get your fingers off this camera, right? Oh my days. Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's falling off again. Let's open the next one and then I'll pick it up. Shit! Jason! Jason! Look at this! Look at this pack!
What the heck?
Oh my god! This is like the best pack opening, lads. Team of the year Neymar, Inform Ronaldo, and Team of the season Messi. That's it. I'm done. And I hope you lads enjoy and peace.